Here's a great question from Cora. What does it mean for a word to be trademarked? I'm Andrei Answers, the founder of Trademark Factory, and here's my answer to this question. First of all, I am guilty of using the word trademark as a verb. From the purely dictionary perspective, it's incorrect. There is no word to trademark get something trademarked. But I use it all the time, and a lot of people do as well. So what it really means to get something trademarked, it means to register it as a trademark. It means you go to the government's office, usually it's called trademarks office, or it could be patent and trademark office. So in the US, it's USPTO, US Patent and Trademark Office. In Canada, it's called Canadian Intellectual Property Office, and so on. You go there, you file an application, you ask them to register this brand as a trademark, and after a certain time, they will give you the trademark registration certificate if everything goes through properly, and that's what's called trademark. Now, so for a word to be trademarked, it means that somebody owns a trademark on that brand, on that word, but it doesn't mean that nobody can say that word anymore or write that word anymore. It only means that nobody can sell products and services that are similar to the ones listed in their trademark application under that same word. So best example I can come up with is Apple, right? Apple is one of the world's most valuable trademarks. It's one word, Apple, but they don't own the word Apple by itself, right? I can still say Apple even if I'm talking about them. My children can use the word apple when they're hungry, right? Daddy, can I have an apple? There's, let's say somebody else can come up with a business that's totally unrelated to apples, like for example, accounting, right? Let's say somebody wants to, and I don't know, maybe somebody already did that, but let's say somebody came up with Apple accounting, right? Because it has nothing to do with apples and nothing to do with computers, nothing to do with software, nothing to do with phones. They could own Apple for accounting services. So when somebody says a word is trademarked, it means that somebody claimed a stake in that word in connection with their specific products and services, and they want the government to recognize that nobody else can sell products or services that are similar to theirs under that name. I hope this answers your question. Like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell button. You want to get notified whenever the next video goes live, right? And until then, I will see you in the next video.